In order to make it easy for understanding clearly, some parts of the displayed pictures are exaggerated and enlarged, rather than the actual appearance, so it's for reference only. The relevant parts include ramp plate, weight roller and variator. From the cross-sectional perspective, the ramp plate is fixed, and the weight roller affected by its centrifugal force moving outward and reaches the top position. In the process, a thrust is generated to make the variator half move forward, which is a normal state so far. This is the burr on the ramp plate, which is the main point of this explanation. We mentioned P equals F(a) last time. The area of the burr that is in contact with the weight roller is very small, and the pressure will be very large, resulting in increased wear and tear after the sliding roller is worn. Although the front end of its upper position will be abraded away, but the overall height will not be affected. The round weight roller will lose a part after wear, the overall height will become smaller obviously. If you are not sure whether the edge of the ramp plate will abrade the weight roller, it is recommended to remove it. There are our kinds of ramp plates, showing what do the edge burrs of ramp plate look like. Usually, they're not obvious. So there's a great way. Take off your glove and use your thumb to gently swipe the edge of the ramp plate. And you'll know the answer. Feel the sharpness. Showing various ramp plates, such as 4 PCs chosen. These are ING ramp plates. Why is this ramp plate so good? Oh, it's my own, sorry. This is a file. Due to easily obtain, cheap cost, small size and never trimming too much, the file is the best choice. This is a rotary toolkit or called grinding machine. Installed the grinding head on the machine, which is driven by air, pneumatic or electric power, very convenient and labor saving. The purpose is to remove the burrs. No need to have large chamfer, no any benefit. Chamfer of 0.2 to 1.0 millimeters is enough. If the visual inspection is not easy, using your thumb to slide the edge to check its touch feeling, smooth or not.